teach, 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 teach.
I heard that you haven't paid us a salary for the past 2 or 3 months.
What's the point of these 2 or 3 months half a year? And you won't give them a wage.
That's fine, Xiao Deng. You're also a worker who's both experienced and young.
After all, these workers have left their hometowns and felt abandoned.
They'll use even a small wage to support their families and return home for the new year. Using someone else's money for these things. Do you still have any conscience? Have you thought about him? I have no money right now, so I need to borrow some from you.
You don't have enough money for a good car, so I can't even gamble with the phone right now.
When the goods hit the road, buyers and sellers trade directly. Inspect the vehicle again on the way. The next time I can sell it. Okay.
If the public stops sharing stories, you'll give me everything to replace the characters.
Xiao Dan, here's a saying. The small camp relies on wisdom. The big camp on virtue.
There are several twists and turns on the road to growth.